Alright, so I've had this set up here for about 2 hours now. Put this background here, got my special lamp thing, got my camera on a tripod. I'm tired as heck. I got this weightlifting belt, as you can see, Hulkster, because my back hurts after doing the stop motion for hours. So I've been doing this matchup between Brock Lesnar and Seth Rollins, as you guys already probably saw. And it's been taking me about 2 hours, and I have about 1,095 photos. I have this special app on my phone, and I take a bunch of pictures, put it together, and I could change like the amount of time it takes for the photos to go up and that kind of stuff. So right now I'm towards the end of the match. Hopefully I might push it further, but I'm not sure. But yeah, guys, this is what it takes to do stop motion. And just think about it, there's guys out there that have like the amazing stop motions that takes like probably days to do. So I'm just busting it out in 3-something hours. So now you guys know the behind the scenes of what it looks like and what it's like to be a stop motion YouTuber and creating a bunch of stop motions and putting it all together and that good stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. WWE Fan Talk Show out.